People always ask me what it's like living next to the junkyard. I tell them it's sweet. My yard is a junkyard, a little mini junkyard of my own projects and findings and trials and tribulations. I don't mind it. I don't mind the noise, generally. Sometimes it's a little loud.
The explosion caused damage to the excavator the victim was using, as well as damage to nearby buildings. And
Maisie loves it. Do you want to go to the junkyard? Oh. She knows what the junkyard is. But I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up some today, because winters are coming, huh, Maisie? Yeah. Chicken's eating Maisie's food. And chicken likes dog food, huh? You gonna share with chicken? Maisie, come here. You don't eat it when it's inside, but if I put it out for chicken, she wants it. Sorry, chicken, you could have some. Yes, you're goob. Well, it's looking better. Lawn's all flooded out. I gotta get probably like 2 triaxles of fill. Really what should happen is there should be a French drain, maybe one that comes from up there and goes all the way down the end of the lawn off the back dip there. That would be perfect. There we go. We're all loaded up. Do a dumpster run and throw some junk in the light iron pile. Well, today we are Christmas shopping. For a date. Didn't see anything crazy. See all the comics up there. Unfortunately, they're all ruined. There's even an ant back here. But I found a whole bunch of DVDs and some video games and some rocks I'm gonna send to my friend because I know she loves this stuff. Oh, it smells like poop. Some sort of comic. I don't know who that is. Junk. Look at that, Gameboy Advance. Ugh. I don't think it'll work though. It's a little wet. What's the game? Grand Theft Auto. What the hell is this? Oh, this is a foot pedal. Puzzles. Ibanez foot pedal. PS4 stuff. Look at all those N64 games. I'm taking them. Where the fun is, right here. Vibes tattoo. Old pictures. Figurines and watches. Somebody's hair. Burner nozzle. Pipes. Bunch of pipes. Just lots of pipes. Old wallet with nothing in it. Old pipes. Oh, there we go. Baseball cards or Marvel cards. Well, those are weird. This guy was definitely a collector of sorts. Ugh. Old newspapers, maybe? Yeah. Not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. But that looks cool. That's the stuff you want to see right there. Look at that. Whew. I mean, this should probably helped Gameboy. But, oh yeah, that sucks, dude. Look at that. Look at the shape these are in. That's terrible. Somebody had a whole... Oh, this might still be good, actually. What's that? Xbox down there, it looks like. Oh, yeah. There we go. Couple of controllers. Man, it sucks. Why couldn't he have owned a van? It'd be a lot sweeter if this was all... This was like in good shape. This would be a haul, man. To the future. No. It's a brick of shit here. Rocky Balboa. The Zodiac. Zombieland. This guy had a lot of movies. Congo. Jurassic Park stuff. Alright, you want to see my monstrosity? The fruits of my labor? Look at this shelf. It's pretty rough. Not my best work by far. But it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Needs you looking too. Here it is. What do you think? He's like, I don't know about that one. So I just got an idea. I want to put this go-kart in here. What I was gonna do was drain the oil and gas and then just flip it up against the back wall here. But it would take up this general area and then I won't be able to get anything off the shelf. What if I suspend it? find out, won't we? Alright, I've added a couple bits of, I've got a second loop here. Goes all the way around the stud. And then on this side, the heavier side, I had some chain just hanging here, so I went over the log there and bolted it to it. It's, it's slack. It's just secondary in case something starts to let go. But that's where she's staying. So I had plastic over the door before. I picked this up to use as a door, and then it was just like a little too small. But I think I could just screw it onto the door frame I built. Most of that stuff was really junk. I didn't take it back home. But I just snagged this Gameboy Advance. And I'm curious if it works. Let's see. It does. Power light's on. Yeah, maybe it doesn't work. It did light up though. Getting better every time. Oh, it does work. Rockstar Games, baby. Want to play some Grand Theft Auto? Crap. I should clean this up, put it on eBay. All the buttons are stuck though. Press start. Can you guys even see that? Load game. Amigo, we're I can't believe this thing works. A bubonic plague epidemic. Decoy disaster. Uh-oh, screen's going funny. Well, anyways. Wow, I'm playing the game. I can shoot flamethrowers. Well, I'll shut it off. That's a testament to Nintendo right there. I mean, what other stuff can you buy and let sit in the back of a pickup truck covered in rain? Rained, frozen, and then throw some batteries in it. I know it's been in there since at least 2017, so that's 6 years. It's been sitting in the back of a pickup truck for 6 years. 2017. Crazy.